We've had a high demand for students wanting to live on campus. UTA already has a strong academic reputation, and then students come to campus and they see our housing, and our housing is beautiful. We have many amenities that our students want, and we have a great staff that care about them.
The new University Center is going to be something special. Our aspiration is that the University Center becomes more than a building. It's really a physical expression of UTA's vision and mission, that it's creating spaces more than just allowing students to eat together, but to engage together.
So we're so excited about Maverick Hall. It opens fall of 2025. It is a 654-bed residence hall on the west side of campus, increasing that vibrancy on that west side. Living on campus gives residents the opportunity to get involved in many activities, such as athletics and the campus recreation, all the events that Excel and Student Activities puts on. It really does give the students a front row opportunity to be involved on campus.
You know, infrastructure is more than just physical buildings. It's about creating an environment to recruit, retain, and support our students on their educational journey through UTA.